So, if you recently started using Roku for live TV, you probably noticed that scrolling through hundreds of channels just to find the one you actually want to watch can be incredibly frustrating. But what if I told you there's a super easy way to create your own custom list of favorite channels? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. First, grab your Roku remote and head over to the Live TV section on your home screen. Once you open the Live TV channel guide, just use the directional arrows on your remote to scroll through the long list. When you find a channel that you know you want to watch regularly, stop right there. Now look at your Roku remote. You'll see a button with a small star icon on it. Just press that star button and a quick menu will pop up right on your screen. From that menu, simply select Add to Favorites. And that's it. You'll notice a little heart icon appear next to the channel name to let you know it worked. Now, the next time you open your Live TV guide, instead of scrolling through everything, just look at the category menu on the left side of your screen. You will now see a dedicated Favorites tab. When you click on that, all of your top channels will be sitting right there, organized and waiting for you. No more endless scrolling. You can add as many channels to this list as you want, and if you ever want to remove one, just highlight the channel, press the star button again, and select Remove. It is that simple. If you found this quick tip helpful today, please do me a quick favor and hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe for more easy streaming tips, and I'll see you in the next one.